Okay, so 0 by 0 form, infinity by infinity form. We can use the L'Hopital's rule directly for them. Then after that we studied 0 into infinity form, infinity minus infinity form. Then yesterday we started studying 0 raised to 0 form, infinity raised to 0 form, and 1 raised to infinity form. We are solving examples of this type. Already we solved few examples. We'll go through few more examples. Okay. So next example. Question will be same. Evaluate the following limit. Let me present the screen. Give me 1 minute only. Now screen is visible. I'm writing today's date. This is visible to you?
No, sir.
Not visible.
सिर्फ आप दिख रहे हो सर.
Visible,
No,
sir.
sir, visible.
Yes,
Visible,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Next example. Question will be same. Evaluate the following limit. Next question is like this. Limit x tends to 0, a raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x divided by 3. Okay. Raised to.
No, sir.
Not visible. I'm not visible.
Visible.
Sir, you are visible, sir.
पिन करो
Screen.
उसे.
Sir, both are visible.
Hello.
स्क्रीन को पिन करो.
हाँ स्क्रीनला पिन कर ना. क्लिक कर त्याच्यावर. Solve, bro. The problem is solved.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, okay. Let me continue. Okay. So write down solution. Let L equal to limit x tends to 0, a raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x divided by 3 raised to 1 upon x. Substitute x equal to 0. A raised to 0 is 1. B raised to 0 is 1. C raised to 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3 in numerator, 3 in denominator. So 3 by 3 is 1. And then 1 upon 0 is infinity. So 1 raised to infinity form. Okay, so right, taking log on both sides, right? Log L equal to limit x tends to 0. Okay, so 1 upon x after taking log of a raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x divided by 3. Now substitute x equal to 0. 1 upon x is the first term, 1 upon 0 is infinity, into, this is 3 by 3, 3 by 3 is 1 and log of 1 is 0. Right, next down, limit x tends to 0. Keep logarithmic term as already we decided in numerator. Right, whole divided by x. So log of 1 is 0 divided by x is 0. So 0 by 0 form. Okay, now we can use the illustration. Using so using that we have limit x tends to 0. Right, derivative of logarithmic term. What is the derivative? 1 upon a raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x divided by 3 into, now derivative of this a raised to x log a plus b raised to x log of b plus c raised to x log of c divided by 3 as it is a no change. Whole divided by, right, this is derivative of numerator only, na? Whole divided by derivative of denominator. Derivative of x is 1. Okay, now substitute x equal to 0 and see what you are getting. So a raised to 0, 1 upon a raised to 0 is 1, b raised to 0 is 1, c raised to 0 is 1 divided by 3. Okay, into the bracket. A raised to 0 is 1 log a plus log b plus log c divided by 3. Okay, so this 3 by 3 will be 1. Okay, and what is log a plus log b plus log c? Log of a, b, c. Right? Log of a into b into c. This is log L. Okay, next. Use this formula. Hope everyone remember this formula. A log b. What is a log b? Log of b raised to a. Na? Let me use that formula. So log L equal to log of a b c raised to 1 upon 3. And therefore L equal to a b c raised to 1 upon 3. Hope you are getting it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me continue. Last example, now. Next example. Can I change the page?
Wait, sir, 2 minutes.
Okay.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. Sure. Next example, next page. Let me change the page. Just 1 minute only. Okay, so second page. Right. Next example. Evaluate. Limit extends to 0. Cot x raised to 1 upon log x. Cot x raised to 1 upon log x. Okay, so solution. Let L equal to limit extends to 0 cot x raised to 1 upon log x. Substitute x equal to 0. What is cot of 0? Tan of 0 is 0, but cot is 1 upon tan, na? So infinity. And log of 0 is infinity. 1 upon infinity is 0. So infinity raised to 0 form. So right, taking log on both sides. So log L equal to limit extends to 0, 1 upon log x into log of cot x. Substitute x equal to 0. First term is 1 upon log x. So 1 upon log 0. So 1 upon infinity, 0. And cot of 0 is infinity. Log of infinity is infinity. Okay, so simplify this. So limit extends to 0, log of cot x. So both the terms in numerator and denominator, they are logarithmic term. So again, cot of 0 is infinity, log of infinity. X equal to 0, log of 0 is infinity. So use it. Limit extends to 0, 1 upon cot x into, what is derivative of cot x? Minus cosec square x divided by derivative of log x, 1 upon x. Simplify it. So limit extends to 0, minus cosec square x divided by cot x into reciprocal x by 1. Convert them into sine and tan so that we can use the standard formulas. So 1 upon cot is tan x. So like this, limit extends to 0, tan x by x. Already one x is there and one more x, na? X square. Sine square x divided by x square. Multiply by x square. x square will cancel and this is 1. So what the L is? E raised to minus 1. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Few examples for homework. Right up. Can I change the page?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right, homework. Evaluate following limits. Right, 1. Limit extends to 0. 1 upon x raised to 2 sine x. Answer is 1. Second, limit extends to 0. 1 plus tan x raised to cot x. Limit extends to a. Huh? X minus a raised to x minus a. Limit extends to 0. Cos x raised to 1 upon x square. Next. Limit extends to 0. 2 raised to x plus 5 raised to x plus 7 raised to x divided by 3 raised to 1 upon x. Sixth, limit extends to 0. A raised to 1 upon x plus b raised to 1 upon x plus c raised to 1 upon x divided by 3 extends to infinity. Huh? Please make sure that it is extends to raised to x. Same as previous example. We solved one example of this type before some time. Na? Same, only in that case the limit was extends to 0. Here limit extends to infinity. Next, seventh. Limit extends to pi by 2. Sec x raised to cot x. Okay, sufficient. Solve these examples only. Written?
Yes, sir. सर एक बार दिखाओ.
अरे गया भी हूँ.
ग्रुप पे भेजता हूँ.
हाँ, कोई तो भेज दो ग्रुप पे. Okay, so we are starting with the next topic. Okay. ये है. Hope you might have written it.
Yes, sir.
This was the part. Okay. Start with the next topic. Mean value theorem. Right? Mean value theorem. Let me change the page. It consists of. It consists of 1 roles theorem. Next, Lagrange's theorem, Lagrange's mean value theorem in fact, and Cauchy's theorem. Okay, we'll start with the first one, Rolle's theorem. Let Rolle's mean value theorem. Statement. If a function f of x is, if a function f of x is, right, a continuous in closed interval AB. Hope everyone understand meaning of closed interval, na? Closed interval means
Yes,
both A and B are included as well as all the points between A and B.
and they are included.
Right. B. If a function f of x is continuous in closed interval AB, differentiable in open interval. So this type of brackets for the open interval. Open interval means A and B are not included.
Not included.
Absolutely. Differentiable in open interval AB. And third condition, f of A, these are the endpoints, no? F of A equal to f of B. F of A equal to f of B. There exist, this is notation for there exist. Okay, there exist at least one point, so maybe more than one point, x equal to c in AB, in open interval AB, it is not closed interval, in open interval AB, such that, anyone know what is the remaining part of this rows?
That point is not. That point does not satisfy the conditions.
No.
No,
See,
that satisfies the condition.
absolutely. That
Sorry,
point should satisfy the condition. But what will happen? That is okay. That is true for all the points in open interval AB, na? In open interval AB, the function will be continuous, function will be differentiable, and at the end points, the function will be equal. But using all these, what will happen?
Equal to C.
F dash of C equal to 0. अच्छा, what is meaning of f dash of C equal to 0? कोई बता सकता है इसका क्या मीनिंग है? f dash of C यदि मैं 0 बोल रहा हूं तो इसका मीनिंग क्या है? अच्छा, चलो समझते हैं. ओके, आपको लिखना नहीं है, आप समझिए सिर्फ. सपोज आई एम राइटिंग लाइक दिस, x स्क्वायर माइनस 5x प्लस 6. ये कोई पॉलिनोमियल है, इसको मैं 0 लेता हूं. इसके रूट्स बताइए आप. x इक्वल टू 2 and 3 ना. सो टेल मी व्हाट इज f of 2. f of 2 क्या आएगा? 4 minus 10 plus 6, 0 आएगा ना.
0 आएगा सर.
हाँ, अच्छा. फिर f of 3 क्या आएगा? 0 ही आएगा.
Yes sir.
Right. If I take any other x, say 5, 10, minus 9, minus 3, 0, so f of that point will be, जो भी point है, say f of 10, that will be not equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So root means, समझिए इसको, कोई इक्वेशन दिया है f of x, right? So what are its roots? A is a root if f of a is equal to 0. ये समझ में आ गया आपको? हाँ, तो यदि मैं ये लिख रहा हूं कि f dash of c equal to 0, so meaning is like this: sum f dash of x is the equation whose root is, उसका रूट क्या है? हाँ, c रूट है ना? ना समझ में आता है या नहीं? अरे मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा ना,
Yes, sir.
f dash
yes,
of
sir.
sorry f of x equal to 0, I have a polynomial like this. If f of a equal to 0, it means that a is a root. समझा ये तो आपको
Yes,
समझ
sir.
में आता है
Yes,
ना?
sir.
In the same way, f dash of c equal to 0 means f dash of x equal to 0. And what is meaning of that? C is the root. Whose root? Of f dash of x equal to 0. ये एक बात समझ में आ गई हमें. अच्छा, दूसरी बात हमें समझनी है कि f dash of x यदि मैं लिख रहा हूं तो दैट इज डेरिवेटिव. ओके, और डेरिवेटिव का मीनिंग क्या होता है? व्हाट इज डेरिवेटिव? ज्योमेट्रिकली डेरिवेटिव, व्हाट द डेरिवेटिव इज? Suppose I have
Slope.
equation. हाँ, correct. I have a curve like this, y equal to f of x, and I want to find derivative at this point. हाँ, ये x point है, यहाँ पे derivative means क्या करना है हमें? We want to find slope of whose slope? Derivative is
Equation.
no, slope of tangent. नहीं, ये tangent है ना? Tangent means intersect the curve at single point और उसका slope. राइट ना, दैट इज द डेरिवेटिव. ये दो चीजें हमने समझी है. वन, एफ डैश मींस डेरिवेटिव इज स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट टू द कर्व. ये कहीं पे लिख के रखिए आप. हाँ, डेरिवेटिव इज स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट टू द कर्व. और दूसरी चीज हमने ये समझी कि एफ ऑफ एक्स इक्वल टू 0 इफ दिस इज अ पॉलिनोमियल एंड इफ फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट ए एफ ऑफ ए इक्वल टू 0 मींस ए इज इट्स रूट. ओके, चलो अभी आगे बढ़ते हैं और समझते हैं इसको. इसको नीचे लिखना है रिमार्क्स लिखना है. राइट. वन, देयर में एग्जिस्ट. अच्छा, आई हैव टू चेंज द पेज, सॉरी. हाँ, वन मिनट. Right. There may exist more than one real number. There may exist more than one real number C belongs to, ये E का मतलब समझते हैं ना, belongs to the open interval AB such that f dash of c equal to 0. While solving the example, I'll give you few examples where there exists more than one c for which f dash of c equal to 0. Okay, right. Second, converse of opposite of converse of Rolle's theorem is not true. Converse of Rolle's theorem is not true. क्या मतलब इसका? सिंपल है. हमने क्या लिखा थोड़ी देर पहले? ये लिखा कि if there exists a function f of x such that first condition f of x is continuous in closed interval ab, second f of x is differentiable in open interval ab, and third condition f of a equal to f of b, then there exists c such that f dash of c equal to 0.
0.
राइट ना? सो इसको कॉन्वर्स क्या रहेगा? देयर एग्जिस्ट f dash of c equal to 0 and that should satisfy the three conditions. समझ में आ रहा है ना? तो f dash जो corresponding function f of x है, that should be continuous, that should be differentiable. For that function f of a should be equal to f of b. लेकिन ऐसा हर वक्त नहीं होता है. नहीं समझा? चलो समझते. अच्छा, पहले हम समझते हैं व्हाट इज कंटिन्यूटी एंड व्हाट इज डिफरेंशिएबिलिटी. हाँ, लेट मी स्टार्ट विद द एग्जांपल. f of x इक्वल टू, से आई एम राइटिंग x स्क्वायर माइनस 3x प्लस 5. राइट. सो वेयर दिस फंक्शन इज कंटिन्यूअस. ये फंक्शन कंटिन्यूअस कहां पे है? और इन अदर वर्ड्स आई वांट टू आस्क वेयर दिस फंक्शन इज नॉट कंटिन्यूअस. कंटिन्यूअस फंक्शन आप ज्योमेट्री के लिए समझते हैं ना? राइट. सो दिस फंक्शन कंटिन्यूअस और नॉन कंटिन्यूअस, डिसकंटिन्यूअस और कंटिन्यूअस. I have
Continuous.
drawn the graph, continuous function. है ना? गैप है क्या कुछ उसमें? नहीं है ना?
No.
Right. Suppose I draw function in this way. Continuous है ये function?
No.
Second
No,
one,
discontinuous.
ये first है, ये second है. Discontinuous. कहाँ पे discontinuous है? इस point पे, है ना? Two different values are there ना?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. Value of function means, those who don't remember understand. This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. till if you don't remember, suppose I have x equal to a here. Whenever I am saying functional value means value of the y equal to f of x हम लिखते हैं ना. So value of the f of x at x equal to a means ये वैल्यू दो आएगी, ये एक y की वैल्यू आएगी से y1 और ये दूसरी वैल्यू आएगी, है ना, दो वैल्यू आएंगे ना y1 और y2, and are they equal? Is y1 equal to y2? No. So function is discontinuous.
Discontinuous.
हाँ, तो ज्योमेट्रिकली आप समझिए कि गैप नहीं होना चाहिए फंक्शन में, राइट. सो लाइक दिस, सो दिस इज कंटिन्यूअस फंक्शन. Okay, this is discontinuous. Discontinuous at, you have to mention where it is discontinuous. Discontinuous at x equal to a. X equal to a से आगे की वैल्यू हमने ली. For example, say x equal to a plus 1, a plus 2, a plus 3. ये ऐसे, if I take any other value ना, there the function is continuous. If I take any value of x less than a on this part, on the left side, function is continuous. समझ रहे हैं ना? So function is discontinuous at single point only, x equal to a only. I'm speaking about the second function. इसको आप समझिए, हाँ, very important है ये. ठीक है, चलो अभी क्या करते हैं हम, we'll try to understand it algebraically. ये हमने geometrically समझा. ठीक है, algebraically क्या है? For example, I have a function like this, f of x equal to, और एक बार मैं इस function को लेता हूँ. इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? What type of function this is? Polynomial. Polynomial आप समझते हैं ना?
Yes, sir.
Polynomial ये रहता है x raised to n, right, plus a1 x raised to n minus 1, a2 x raised to n minus 2, and so on till we consider some constant n. This is polynomial of nth degree if a0 is not equal to 0, right? So each and every polynomial आप लिख के रखो इसको, right? Each and every polynomial is continuous and differentiable. Each and every polynomial, उसको चेक करने की जरूरत ही नहीं. You don't have to check whether polynomial is continuous, whether it is differentiable. You don't have to check. Got it? Each and every polynomial is continuous and differentiable everywhere. Okay, समझा ये? ठीक है, दूसरा एग्जांपल लेते हैं. इसको मैं, अच्छा, नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल लेता हूं मैं, थर्ड लिखता हूं इसको. f of x equal to say 1 upon x minus 1 है ना? You have to check continuity of this function. Say I take x equal to 5. So tell me what will be f of 5? 1 upon 5 minus 1 ना? So 1 upon 4. हाँ, तो कुछ वैल्यू आ रही है हमें. We are getting some value, है ना? Finite value we are getting. So it is continuous. Continuous meaning क्या है इसका? Continuous at x equal to 5. समझ में आ गया? सिर्फ कंटिन्यूस नहीं बोल रहा हूं मैं. आई एम सेइंग दैट कंटिन्यूस एट अ पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट. ओके, लेट मी टेक x इक्वल टू -10. अच्छा, बोलिए मुझे क्या आएगा f ऑफ -10? 1 अपॉन -11 आएगा, कुछ वैल्यू आएगी -0 पॉइंट समथिंग, 0 1 2 समथिंग, राइट? सो व्हाट इज मीनिंग? कंटिन्यूस एट x इक्वल टू -10. सबको समझ में आ रहा है? दैट इज इन सिंपल वर्ड्स, इफ वी आर गेटिंग सम फाइनाइट वैल्यू, मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ समझ लीजिए आप. Whenever we are getting some finite value, the function is continuous. समझ में आ गया? ओके,
यस सर.
अच्छा, तो मुझे आप बताइए कि ये फंक्शन फिर नॉन फाइनाइट वैल्यू कब आएगी इसकी, या इनडिटर्मिनेट? दो डिफरेंट चीजें हैं, इनडिटर्मिनेट और इनफाइनाइट वैल्यू कब आएगी इसकी?
X is equal to 1.
Absolutely. If I take x equal to 1, tell me what will be f of 1? 1 upon 1 minus 1, 0, infinity. So, what is the conclusion? Function is discontinuous. And at what? X equal to 1. सबको समझ में आ गया ये? Everyone understood this? हमने क्या समझा है? Function is discontinuous at x equal to 1. What about remaining points? Say I take 2, 5, 7, 100, -10, -100. At all these points, function is continuous.
Continuous.
समझ में आ रहा है सबको? Getting everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. अच्छा, और एक एग्जांपल लेता हूँ. Let me change the page, हाँ? Okay. चलो अभी और इसको समझते हैं हम. इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है इसलिए इसको हम समझना चाहते हैं. तो मेरे पास ये फंक्शन है f of x equal to मॉड्यूलस फंक्शन mod x. मॉड्यूलस फंक्शन. अच्छा क्या होता है मॉड्यूलस फंक्शन? से आई वांट टू फाइंड mod of -5. व्हाट इज mod of -5? 5 आएगा.
5.
Suppose I want to find mod of 10. 10 only.
10.
Right ना? So if negative number is there, right? Negative number उसको क्या करना है हमें? We have to multiply it by -1. है ना? -5 है, इसको -1 से multiply करें so that I get 5. Whereas if positive number is there, right? We have to multiply it by 1 plus 1. है ना? समझ में आ रहा है ना? तो इसको हम ऐसे डिफाइन करते हैं. You might know this very well. F of x equal to x less than 0 and x greater than 0. Greater than or equal to 0. Less than 0 है तो क्या करना है हमें? We have to multiply it by -1. जो भी x है उसको -1 से मल्टीप्लाई करना. पॉजिटिव है तो as it is रखना है ना? इसको देखते हैं सही है या नहीं. Say I want to find -13. कौन सा पार्ट यूज करना है? x less than 0 या x greater than 0? x क्या है?
Less than 0.
What is x here? हाँ,
13.
x is -13 है ना, -13 not 30, -13. हाँ, so x less than 0. तो आंसर क्या आएगा इसका? -x आएगा, यानी -13 आएगा, +13 आएगा. सही है? Yes, we know that modulus of -13 is 13.
Yes.
And hope everyone know the graph of modulus of function. If you don't know, you write it inside. हाँ, आपको लिखते जाना है मेरे साथ. हाँ, तो इसका ग्राफ ये है ना, ऐसा v जैसा ग्राफ रहता है. We know it very well. This is the modulus function. अच्छा, ये continuous है क्या? Is it continuous? This is origin, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is y equal to mod x. अच्छा, is it the continuous function? कहीं पे गैप दिखाई दे रहा है आपको?
No, sir.
No.
sir.
So अभी मैं लिख रहा हूँ इसको. हाँ, यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ. Continuous function. Modulus function is continuous function. अच्छा, differentiable है क्या? Differentiable means what we should able to find. Understand? We should able to find unique tangent. लिख दीजिए आप कहीं पे. Differentiability. हमने वो differentiability वगैरह सब पढ़ा है, right? तो उसमें और कुछ few things that left or till we not understood, we have to understand them. So write it inside. Differentiability means we are able to find, or just write in short, able to find unique tangent. कितने tangent चाहिए? Single tangent. अच्छा चलो, यहां पे मुझे टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करना है. ओरिजिन पे कितने टेंजेंट आएंगे? एक जो एक्स एक्सिस है दैट इज टेंजेंट. दिस इज आल्सो टेंजेंट. दिस इज आल्सो टेंजेंट. दिस इज आल्सो टेंजेंट. हाउ मेनी टेंजेंट्स आर देयर? इनफाइनाइट. Therefore, therefore discontinuous, sorry, not differentiable at x equal to 0. इसको याद रखना है आपको. Modulus function is continuous everywhere but not differentiable at x equal to 0. समझा आपको?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood this? Okay. Fifth example. अभी क्या है, मेरे पास ये फंक्शन है जो हमने लास्ट देखा ना, 1/x-1, उसको ही कंटिन्यू करता हूँ. इसके बारे में what we know about this? Continuous everywhere, है ना, except at where it is not continuous.
1.
X equal to 1, है ना? X equal to 1, it will become infinite ना? Therefore,
Yes,
it is
sir.
not continuous. अच्छा, suppose I find f dash of x. What is the derivative? -1/x-1 whole square, है ना? अच्छा, if I substitute x equal to 1 here, so f dash of 1. Tell me what will be f dash of 1? Infinity आएगा. x equal to 1 put करो, 1 - 1 is 0, 1/0 is infinity, और माइनस साइन इसलिए मैंने माइनस इन्फिनिटी लिख दिया. So what is conclusion? Not differentiable at x equal to 1. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? तो
Yes,
फंक्शन इनफाइनाइट या इनडिटरमिनेट नहीं होना चाहिए. Function should be finite. Then only it is continuous. Then only it is differentiable. Differentiable में और एक चीज हमें जोड़नी है. If we know the graph, we should able to find unique tangent. Then it is said to be differentiable. Getting everyone? Okay. चलो मैं अभी कंटिन्यू करता हूँ. रिमार्क हमने फर्स्ट लिखा है, there may exist more than one real number c such that f dash of c equal to 0. Okay. Second लिखा है हमने, converse of the Rolle's theorem is not true. Example is there, but I don't want to spend time on that. Not so much important for us. Therefore, okay. So let me change the page and write the remark 3. Right. Remark 3. Geometrical interpretation. Let me change the page. Geometrical interpretation. अच्छा चलो ग्राफ ड्रॉ करते हैं, है ना? क्या क्या पता है हमें? अभी थोड़ा सा सी टुवर्ड्स द स्क्रीन, पहले समझते हैं हम इसको. Geometrical interpretation. क्या क्या चीजें हैं? f of x is a function. What we know about the f of x? F of x is continuous in closed interval AB, है ना? Next, differentiable in open interval AB, और f of a and f of b equal है. f of a and f of b equal. यदि if all these conditions satisfied, there exists C in AB such that f dash of C equal to 0. चलो ग्राफ ड्रॉ करके देखते हैं. हाँ, तो as usual we have x axis over here, ये y axis है. ठीक है, मुझे क्या चाहिए? सम फंक्शन विच इज कंटिन्यूअस, यानी गैप नहीं होना चाहिए. डिफरेंशिएबल मींस आई शुड एबल टू फाइंड यूनिक टेंजेंट. और लास्ट कंडीशन इंपॉर्टेंट, f of a should be equal to f of b. So let me consider x equal to a here. Okay, let me consider x equal to b here. ठीक है, और f of a और f of b equal है. So this is the point f of a, this is the point f of b, the points on the graph, and they are equal. Okay, so let me draw the graph. Since it is continuous function, let me start in this way. This is continuous function, this is continuous function, this is continuous function. Acha, so this is the when x equal to b, I should able to reach this point. Okay, so now I have to take a curve. Okay, let me take a curve. Yeah, समझा? ये ग्राफ है. So there exists at least one point कि जहां से maximum value रहेगी ना. There exists some x where there will be maximum value of y, or then it go on decreasing. So this is the point. Okay, and if I try to draw tangent to this curve, this curve I'm saying, this is the y equal to f of x curve. So if I try to draw tangent to this curve, how the tangent will be? Tangent will be like this. Tangent will be parallel to x axis. What is slope of x axis? x axis का स्लोप. अरे बताओ x axis का स्लोप.
y is equal to 0.
0 होता है ना, राइट? y axis का इंफिनिटी होता है. तो if line parallel to x axis, so what will be slope of this? 0. और स्लोप यानी क्या होता है? डेरिवेटिव. So derivative is 0. f dash of x equal to 0 at this point. And what the point is? Say the point is x equal to c. That is f dash of c equal to 0. समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं? I'll repeat once again. See, I started with f of a equal to f of b. हाँ, मैंने यहाँ पे x equal to a दिया, x equal to b दिया. So f of a is say here. By default, f of b will be here, right? Then since function is continuous, there should not be gap. So I have drawn the graph like this. Okay. Then differentiable, therefore unique tangent should be there. तो ये ग्राफ ऐसे नहीं आएगा. समझ में आ रहा है कि देखो, ग्राफ ऐसे नहीं आएगा, है ना? ऐसे आएगा तो यहाँ पे यूनिक टेंजेंट आएगा क्या? नहीं ना. सो ये स्मूथ आएगा, है ना? ऐसे आएगा. और यहाँ पे हमने टेंजेंट ड्रॉ किया, दैट विल बी पैरेलल टू एक्स एक्सिस. स्लोप ऑफ एक्स एक्सिस 0, स्लोप ऑफ दिस टेंजेंट इज 0. स्लोप 0 मींस डेरिवेटिव 0. बट एट व्हाट पॉइंट? से x इक्वल टू c. सो f डैश ऑफ c इक्वल टू 0. आ रहा है समझ में सबको? अच्छा, ऐसे ग्राफ ऐसे भी तो हो सकता है. से दिस इज x इक्वल टू a, से दिस इज x इक्वल टू b, f of a equal to f of b. ग्राफ में भी लाइक दिस, ऐसे भी तो आ सकता है. आ सकता है ना, राइट? So f of a equal to f of b, function is continuous, there is no gap. Okay, we can draw unique tangent at each and every point. Clear na? So all the conditions are satisfied. But how many c's are there? यहाँ पे if we try to draw tangent to the curve at this point, it will be parallel to x axis. Slope is 0. यहाँ पे भी 0 आएगा, यहाँ पे भी 0 आएगा, यहाँ पे भी 0 आएगा, यहाँ पे भी 0 आएगा. So this is c1, c2, c3, c4, c5. समझा या नहीं?
Yes,
यहाँ
sir.
पे यूनिक सी था, यहाँ पे कितने सी है? 5 सी है ना? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. सो इस डायग्राम को ड्रॉ करना है, जिसको मैंने अभी मार्क किया, या और एक बार ड्रॉ करूं मैं?
नहीं सर।
आई ड्रॉ इट वंस है, कोई जरूरत नहीं ना?
Yes.
चलिए ठीक है, और लिखो, उसको ड्रॉ करके लिखना है। If all the conditions of Rolle's theorem are satisfied, if all the conditions of Rolle's theorem are satisfied, then there exists a point C then there exists a point C where slope of tangent is 0. Slope of tangent is 0. Next लिखो, algebraic interpretation. This was geometrical interpretation. Okay, now write algebraic interpretation. So right, if f of x is a polynomial, if f of x is a polynomial which satisfies conditions of Rolle's theorem, and x equal to a and x equal to b,
Sir, please repeat.
Acha, if f of x is a polynomial which satisfy conditions of Rolle's theorem, okay, and x equal to a and x equal to b are two roots of the polynomial,
X is
x equal to a and x equal to b are two roots of the polynomial, then by Rolle's theorem, at least one root of f dash of x equal to 0. At least one root of f dash of x equal to 0 lies in open interval AB. Lies in open interval AB. Okay. Next. Right. Another statement of Rolle's theorem. इसको थोड़ा सा possible है तो याद रखो, नहीं तो छोड़ दो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. If a function f of x is such that if a function f of x is such that at 1 f of x is continuous in AB, closed interval AB. F of x is differentiable in open interval AB. And f of a equal to f of, instead of writing b na, h is written. H is the increment in x. F of a equal to f of a plus h. Then there exists at least one real number theta such that f dash of a plus theta h equal to 0, where theta should be between 0 to 1. Examples. Right, verify Rolle's theorem. verify Rolle's theorem. Right, first example. F of x equal to x square. Interval is -1 to +1. Right. 1. यहाँ पे लिखो f of x is polynomial ना? f
Yes,
of
sir.
x, हाँ, right. f of x is polynomial, therefore it is continuous and differentiable. चेक करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, हाँ. It is continuous and differentiable in. Continuous and differentiable, इतना ही लिखो. Everywhere it is continuous and differentiable. It is continuous and differentiable. Everywhere means for the whole real line. And -1 to 1 is on the real line only, so no need to check it. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? Right? So first condition, continuity, checked. Yes, it is continuous. Second condition, differentiability. Yes, it is checked. It is differentiable. Third condition, tada. F of a equal to a क्या है हमें? F of -1 है ना?
-1.
हाँ. So f of x equal to x square. So -1 square. What is -1 square? 1. Then I done. F of b equal to b is the
+1.
end point. 1 square. That is equal to 1 only. So it is conclusion f of a equal to f of b. So third condition is also satisfied. F of a equal to f of b. So all the three conditions, continuity, differentiability, and equality at the endpoints are satisfied. Okay. All conditions of Rolle's theorem are satisfied. All conditions of Rolle's theorem are satisfied. Therefore, there exists a C.
Sir, थोड़ा slow बताओ.
अच्छा, okay. All the conditions of Rolle's RMVT, इतना ही लिखो ना, Rolle's mean value theorem, RMVT, sufficient. All the conditions of Rolle's theorem are satisfied. Therefore, there exists a C in -1 to 1 such that f dash of C equal to 0. Okay, इसके नीचे लिखो here f of x equal to x square. So what is f dash of x? 2x, no? Therefore, what will be f dash of C equal to 0? F dash is 2x, right? So replace x by c. So 2c equal to 0. So c equal to 0. और c equal to 0 -1 और 1 के बीच में ही क्या? Yes. That's it. आ गया सबको समझ में?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. So इसको थोड़ा और समझते हैं हम. Not part of the syllabus, but we'll try to understand it. F of x equal to x square, यानी y equal to x square है ना? क्या है ये? पैराबोला है, right? And symmetric about the y axis. So पैराबोला ऐसा है, होप आपको पता रहेगा ये. x axis है, ये y axis है, ये पैराबोला है. हम अभी जो पढ़ रहे हैं ना पैराबोला, that is like this. और ये है x equal to -1, ये है x equal to +1. और f of a क्या है? 1 है, ये 1 है, y equal to 1. तो ये दो पॉइंट सेम है, कंटिन्यूअस है, कोई गैप नहीं है, डिफरेंशिएबल है. और यहाँ पे at x equal to 0, how the tangent is x axis और parallel to x axis, है ना? तो ये पॉइंट है c equal to 0, where c is the point where f dash of c equal to 0 means tangent is parallel to x axis. In fact, x axis itself for this example. इतना मैथ समझते हैं क्या आपको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
नहीं समझते तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. At least we should able to find the c, है ना? चलो नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल सॉल्व करते हैं. Okay, we'll go through one more example. चलो सॉल्व करते हैं नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. Question is same. Verify the Rolle's theorem. Let me change the page. Question number 2. Right, f of x equal to 2 plus x minus 1 raised to 2/3 और जो इंटरवल है 0 to 2 है. ओके. अच्छा, टेल मी अबाउट द कंटिन्यूटी. Is there exist any point between the closed interval 0 to 2? मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ समझना है आपको. हाँ, 0 to 2 इंटरवल दिया ना, इस इंटरवल में ऐसा कोई पॉइंट है क्या कि जिस फंक्शन विल बिकम इनफाइनाइट?
No, sir.
x इक्वल टू 0 लेकर देखिए, 2 देखिए, 5 देखिए, 6 देखिए, सॉरी 0 to 2 any point. Is it possible that function become infinite? No.
No.
Right? So right, f of x is continuous in, all right, f of x is continuous in अच्छा चलो f dash of x फाइंड कीजिए आप. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 2 is 0. 2/3 x minus 1 raised to 2/3 minus 1 minus 1/3. करेक्ट. आगे यहां तक तो is there exist in case of f dash of x, is there exist any point where the function will become infinite?
No.
Is there exist any point where the function become infinite and the point should be between 0 to 2? है क्या कोई point?
No.
अरे x equal to 1 रखो ना.
One
क्या है?
Yes,
one पे
sir, one.
one पे जाएगा.
1 minus 1 is 0 और 2/0 is infinity ना. So done. At x equal to 1, what is f dash of 1? Infinite ना. सबको समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं? 1
Yes, sir.
करके देखो. 1 minus 1 will be 0 and 2/0 is infinity. Okay. So done. Therefore, function is not differentiable at x equal to 1. So conclusion क्या है? RMVT is
Not
not
satisfied.
हाँ applicable. Okay. थर्ड समझ में आ गया सबको?
Yes, sir.
चलो नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल देखते हैं. राइट, f of x equal to x minus 2 e raised to minus x. x minus 2 e raised to minus x. अच्छा, ये x minus 2 पॉलिनोमियल है और एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन दे आर ऑलवेज कंटिन्यूअस. ओके. सो राइट, 1 f of x is continuous everywhere. Right, f of x is continuous everywhere. Okay. Next, find f dash of x. प्रोडक्ट रूल हमें यूज करना पड़ेगा. x minus 2 as it is, e raised to minus x as it is, derivative x is 1 plus x as it is, derivative x minus 2 is 1, e raised to minus x. Then x minus 2 as it is, what is derivative exponential function? Minus of e raised to minus x. थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं इसको. फोर एक्स getting? अच्छा, दिस इज पॉलिनोमियल अगेन. ये जो कर्ली ब्रैकेट है ना, पॉलिनोमियल, इसके नीचे लिखो पॉलिनोमियल और ये है एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन. Then right, polynomial and exponential functions are differentiable everywhere. polynomial and exponential functions are differentiable everywhere. ओके अभी थर्ड कंडीशन देखते हैं. ठीक है, राइट. एफ ऑफ ए, पहले एफ ऑफ एक्स लिखते हैं. एफ ऑफ एक्स इक्वल टू एक्स एक्स माइनस टू ई रेस टू माइनस एक्स. अभी एफ ऑफ ए फाइंड करते हैं. एफ ऑफ जीरो, एक्स इक्वल टू जीरो, सो जीरो. एफ ऑफ बी, एफ ऑफ टू, सो एक्स इक्वल टू टू पुट कीजिए. टू, टू माइनस टू जीरो आएगा ना, e raised to minus 2, so again it will be 0. So what is the conclusion? F of a equal to f of b, है ना? Getting
Yes, sir.
everyone?
Yes, sir.
So all the conditions are satisfied,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
right? तो अभी लिखो इसके नीचे. Can I change the page now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. All the conditions of Rolle's theorem are satisfied. All the conditions of Rolle's theorem are satisfied. Therefore, there exists a point C. Therefore, there exists a point C such that f dash of C equal to 0. But write f dash of x, पहले इसको लिखते हैं. क्या है ये? माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4x माइनस 2 e रेस टू माइनस एक्स. ओके, f dash ऑफ c इक्वल टू 0 इंप्लाइज x को c से रिप्लेस करना है. माइनस सी स्क्वायर प्लस 4c माइनस 2 e raised to minus c equal to 0. Right. Since e raised to minus c is not equal to 0, exponential function 0 होता ही नहीं है, infinity पे होगा. Right. We want to find finite point, which implies minus c square plus 4c minus 2 equal to 0. That is c square minus 4c plus 2 equal to 0. Right. Hope you remember this thing. x स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी, ये याद है ना?
Yes, sir.
क्या रहते हैं इसके रूट्स? माइनस बी प्लस माइनस
Root
बी.
B square minus
B
4
square
minus
minus
And
4
plus
AC
4ac divided by b square, 2a.
Divided by 2.
AC.
करेक्ट, इसको लिखते हैं. सी ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे भी है और यहाँ पे भी है, सो कंफ्यूजन होगा, इसलिए मैं नहीं लिख रहा हूँ, डायरेक्टली लिखता हूँ. बी है माइनस 4, माइनस ऑफ माइनस प्लस 4 आएगा, प्लस माइनस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4 स्क्वायर इज 16 माइनस 4 इंटू ए इज 1, सी इज 2. ओके, सो 8. आप एक बार चेक करना मैं सही लिख रहा हूं या नहीं. एट इज 2 रूट 2. 2 कैंसिल करते हैं.
2 plus root 2.
दो वैल्यू है. 2 प्लस रूट टू कितना रहता है? 1.4 कुछ रहता है ना?
Yes, sir.
1.4 बार.
हाँ, अराउंड. हाँ, और भी रहता है अप्रोक्सीमेट. अच्छा, उसमें से कौन सा वैल्यू लेना है सी का?
0.6.
सी देखो क्या है, वेयर वी स्टार्टेड 0 to 2, इंटरवल 0 to 2 है ना, सो 3.4 0 to 2 में है क्या? नहीं है.
नहीं सर,
Right.
0.6 लेंगे सर.
हाँ, करेक्ट. नॉट इन
0.6.
0 to 2. Yes, it is in 0 to 2. Okay, so आंसर हमें क्या लिखना है? c इक्वल टू 2 माइनस रूट 2. समझ में आ गया सबको?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, टाइम हो रहा है. कौन सा है नेक्स्ट लेक्चर?
Yes,
Yes,
same.
हाँ
SME.
ऐसे नहीं है। अच्छा ठीक है। अच्छा मुझे बताओ आप कि ये बोर्ड पे पढ़ना अच्छा है या ये मेथड अच्छा है?
ये
ये
मेथड
method
अच्छा है सर।
सर ये
ए वाली मेथड अच्छा है सर।
सर ये मेथड
अच्छा है बोर्ड पे
ए वाली अच्छी है सर।
हाँ
हाँ
इसमें
सर।
क्या होता है, हाँ कि पूरा एग्जाम्पल
इसमें
मैं एक
क्लियर
साथ
दिखता
लिख
है
सकता
सर,
हूँ
इसमें क्लियर
क्लियर और जूम भी करता है सर।
और ये नोट्स भी मैं दे सकता हूँ, अभी तक फिलहाल नहीं दिया है लेकिन दे सकता हूँ, है ना?
यस
तो
सर।
इससे कंटिन्यू
हाँ
करते
सर।
हैं।
यस सर,
हाँ
चलेगा
सर।
सर।
चलेगा।
यस सर, यस सर।
Okay, thank you. You can leave. I will take attendance from SME, sir. Okay, since I think I don't have time to take the attendance now, and I can take just 1 minute. Let me take the attendance. Attendance लेता हूँ मैं एक बार। कहाँ से ले सकते हैं? यहाँ से। एक मिनट। हाँ हो गया, आप निकल सकते हैं अभी।
थैंक यू सर।
ओके सर।
Okay, thank you sir.
Thank you. Thank you.